Look at this idiot. He promised to lock in, but he's doom-scrolling. Your brain is lazy. It loves those easy loops. Trigger, action, reward. A notification pops. He taps. Absolutely zero self-control. You do the same. Stress hits, you're back on TikTok. Willpower always fails. Just change your environment instead. Hide those triggers. If they're out of sight, they're gone. Chuck your phone away. Make it difficult to access. Now, swap the action. You cannot delete habits, just replace them. He wanted to game, so he got a stress ball. Feeling stressed? Do push-ups. Burn that energy guilt-free. Add friction to bad habits. Make them painful to do. We put a brick on his snack cabinet. He hates manual labor. He quits. Just log out. Still struggling? Bet real cash. If you fail, pay. Losing cash hurts. Pain fixes a distracted brain. Stop fixing your entire life on a Monday. You will burn out. Use tiny, sustainable stages. Shift your identity. Decide who you are now. 21 days to change? That is a lie. It takes 66 days. Stop expecting magic. Uprooting habits is like pulling a tree. When you slip up, do not be dramatic. Think progress is gone? Relax. It is data. Figure out the trigger, fix it, and subscribe. Grow or stay a clown. Your choice.